your DJI Mic 2 not connecting or not linking to the receiver, here are the surefire ways to fix wireless linking problems with your Mic 2. The very first thing that you should try doing is putting back the receiver and the transmitters inside the charging case and close the lid. Make sure the charging case has enough charge. Now after waiting a few seconds, open the case back up and they should get linked back to your receiver. As you can see here, still now our transmitters are not linked back to the receiver. In your case, the problem may be with one transmitter or both of them. Whichever the case is, first make sure it has enough charge. And you can do that by looking at the LED. If the LEDs are not on, then just long press on the power button and they should come up. If not, let them charge first. But if they're charged and still doesn't link back to the receiver when they're inside the case or wirelessly when outside the case, then there's a high chance that your transmitters are in Bluetooth mode. So what we're gonna do is switch them back to receiver pairing. To change the mode, all you gotta do is simply press and hold this recording button, keep holding until the LED turns off, comes back with solid green and starts blinking once again. So now it's in receiver pairing. So we should be able to drop it back in the charging case and it will be paired back to your receiver and stay paired even in wireless mode. Let's do the same thing with the other one and pop it back inside the case. In case you have another DJI receiver that you have connected these transmitters to, then this step may not work. If they don't, then let's relink them back to the original receiver. For this, first of all, we're gonna take out both of the transmitters. Then, press and hold this link button until they start blinking rapidly like this. After that, you can put them down, and now grab your receiver, swipe down, go to receiver settings, and you can also move using the thumb wheel, and inside the receiver settings, go all the way to the right to link device, select it, and make sure the transmitters are still in pairing mode, then tap on link, confirm, confirm again, and the chain or link icons should become golden, which means they're now paired. Now carefully go back to the home screen. There you go. You have successfully connected back the transmitters to the receiver. But in case for some reason it's still not working, then you have two other options. The first one is resetting the receiver to the factory default or hard resetting it. Swipe down and this time go all the way to the right to settings and in here go to factory reset, press OK and then confirm. Confirm again and instantly it will reset itself. Now you'll just need to set it back up. Choose your language, tap on the arrow, make sure the date and time is correct, and right after the reset, they should get connected. If not, simply follow the pairing process once again. Then the last option you have that may help fix this is manually updating the firmware of your DJI Mic 2. If you need help with that, then take a look at this short guide where I show you how to do it in minutes. So let us know which one fixed it and stay tuned for more.